Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme Note 60 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System, Enroll Backup, and here just mark data that you want to backup. In my case it's both photos and videos along with other device data, and just click on Confirm. If you don't have your account added to your device, you will have to provide your login along with the password, and you'll be able to get into the same panel. And here, by tapping on Manage Backup, you can smoothly back up your data right now or leave it as it is, and then your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.